In today's video, I will show you how to give edit access in Metabase, specifically by using collecting permissions. So we will go step by step. First thing first, open your web and you need to be logged in into your Metabase account. Logged in, but keep in mind for that you need account with admin or permission access. If you don't have it, talk with your administrator and figure it out how you can get admin rights. Once you do that, once you're logged in, go here to the gear icon at the top right corner, click on it and open the admin settings. From there, go to permissions. So this is at this violet top colored menu, permissions. And right on the left side, you will see that this section controls who can see and edit content inside Metabase. For this video, we will go and focus on collections. So collections are important because they store your dashboard question and models. Inside the permission area, click on the collections. Now choose the collection you want to manage, like so. Take a second here, make sure it's correct one, especially if you have folders with similar names. On the permission screen, you will see different groups. Common ones are administrator and all users. Your organization might also have custom groups. Think of groups as a role. They make it easier to manage access for multiple people at once. Next to each group, you will see a drop down with 3 options. So if I click here to create, now we see 3 options. So first is view, no access, and create. Here's what they mean. A view lets users open dashboard and questions, but they can't change anything. No access, completely hidden, and the collection. Curate is the one we want for edit access. So when a group is set to curate, its members can create, edit, move, and organize content in the collection. They can also save changes to dashboard and questions and so on. So to give edit access, just simply change the drop-down menu here. Before you move on, double check which group you're assigning into, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.